Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was built in 2014 and sits on 0.71 acres. Transform this beautiful home into walls and spaces that speaks volumes. Welcome to the Highlands in St. James, Jamaica. This meticulously unfinished home is quite a gem with ample spaces to entertain, space to engage a swimming pool, and the list goes on. The opportunity this home gives is endless. Truly, one you must see to believe. A family room which boasts a walkout patio, which leads to a stunning view of green spaces interspersed with fruit trees, June plums, lychee, starfruit, sweetsop, Ackee, etc. The first floor comprises a large passageway, front patio, sitting area, a sunken living room, study, library, three bedrooms, each having closet and a bathroom. No room is too small with these thoughtfully designed bedrooms. Catch the master suite, spread over 1,400 square feet with a huge walk-in closet. Ladies, did you read that? A view of the Caribbean Sea can be seen from the master. Amazing. A serene, luxurious lifestyle awaits. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 130 million, US 823.9 thousand, Canadian 1.17 million or 640.4 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.